gonna teach you how to make the best vegan fried chicken with these. 2 cups of milk. For the perfect buttermilk, for every cup of milk, you add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. We have 2 cups of all-purpose flour right here, so we're gonna add the spices. Half a tablespoon salt, and add half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, also half a tablespoon of smoked paprika. So we're going to go ahead and add 1/4 of tablespoon of cinnamon. That adds warmth to it. So 1/4 of tablespoon cumin. Also make sure to mix your flour just perfectly. Should taste everything come together. So our buttermilk gone thicker and it's kind of start breaking down. It feels like a yogurt. Now our buttermilk is ready. So we're gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour right here. We are trying to make a very thick batter. This kind of consistency. Flour to flour is different, so you want to make sure you don't go thicker than this. Start from 1 cup of flour and add more to make sure to get the right consistency. For this batter, we're going to use half a tablespoon of salt. I love these oyster mushrooms. They're just incredible. The flavor, the taste. They're just beautiful. First, we're going to dip the mushroom into flour. We're going to dip it to the batter. Now we're going to dip it back. So again. Now it's time for the batter. And now again, throw this right here. Now we're going to go ahead and make our sauce. 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and use some Worcestershire sauce. Going to do 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And now we're going to go ahead and use some olive juice. You could use pickle juice as well, 1 tablespoon of that. Also, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of ketchup. I use like about 4 or 5 of olives. Mix this up. So this is the consistency you want. Usually for the frying, I always use avocado oil. Don't use any seed oil. Here we go. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna put some napkin right here to drain their oil. This looks incredible. So go ahead and put some salt all over it. Their smell is incredible. Want to see how crispy it is? time to go ahead and toast our bread. Let's see how it is.